Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a Russian manicure. So watch me as I work and don't forget to subscribe. So first we push back the cuticles using the cuticle pusher. Then we'll use a flame bit to lift the cuticle from off the nail. And we dust as we go along to see clearer what needs to be removed as well. Then we're going to use a ball bit to lift the skin some more, and it goes on the skin, not on the nail, because it can cause ridges in the nail if you're not careful. So we use it on the skin. And I accidentally brushed my nail with a bit, but nothing too serious. Next, we're gonna use a bigger ball bit to clean up the lifting, the dead cuticle on the skin there. So we're gonna use that bit to do that work. Looks like we need to use the flame bit again to clean the corner right there. So we're going to use the flame bit to help get rid of that off the nail. So we're getting in there, guys. Remove that dead skin off the nail, making it clean and flush. And doing this will cause less lifting, and as the nail grows out down the line, then it will be clean. So guys, we'll be using the flame bit again to clean up that area. Now it has been cleaned. We use our alcohol to clean up the corners some more, to dehydrate so you can see clearly what happened. And that's the finished look, guys. You're gonna see a closer look, up close video of how clean that is. So it's a Russian manicure. Great, guys. Clean cuticles. And that helps preventing lifting with your acrylic application. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below what you think about it, what you'd like to see in a future video. So take care. Bye.